Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on sources that directly raise adventure rank. Do the required story unlocks so you can access commissions, domains, and world bosses. This opens the highest yield activities. Once done, complete your 4 daily commissions immediately and claim their Adventure EXP rewards. These are consistent, repeatable gains. Make sure to stack XP boost items and event bonuses when you plan longer play sessions, because that amplifies every quest and reward you complete. Now optimize a daily loop so you convert time into AR efficiently. You should route commissions, nearby world quests, and exploration into one tidy run to reduce long backtracking. This saves real time and increases completed objectives per hour. Once you've cleared local chests and puzzles, spend resin smartly on domains and bosses that also feed progression or event goals, because resin outputs compound your gains. Make sure to sync XP consumables to bonus windows to get the most from each session. In the final push, clear any backlog of quests and commissions to cash in on the largest Adventure EXP injections. Once done, leverage limited time events and Battle Pass objectives. They often offer substantial AR-usable rewards and speed you past plateaus. If you hit a slow period, troubleshoot by reviewing your daily checklist, resetting your route to eliminate wasted travel, and timing XP items to align with event bonuses. This simple recalibration usually breaks a stalled progression curve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.